So I just picked up a prepackaged bag of Brussels sprouts, and I just take them out and individually just peel off any of the wilted leaves or the leaves that have gone bad, and then we'll go ahead and wash them, put them in a colander, and then begin to chop them up. What I'll do here is I just cut off the stems and slice them in half, discard the stems, and put the Brussels sprouts into a mixing bowl. If you get a larger one, just go ahead and cut it into thirds. Works just fine. Here I'm going to add just enough olive oil to coat the Brussels sprouts. You don't want to soak them. You just want to, so put in a little bit of olive oil, give it a toss or a mix, and if it's not enough, add a bit more olive oil. But the idea is do not soak them, just get them coated. So once the sprouts are well covered in the olive oil, it's time to add the spices. Give them a nice good mix and toss as well. And I think I actually added a few more sprouts in this, but that's not shown. Anyway, then you take a baking sheet and line it with some parchment paper and put a little more olive oil down and smear it all over there. And then what we're going to do is put the sprouts cut side down. And of course, we're preheating the oven to 450 degrees. And here we are, almost finished with the pan all loaded up. And if some of the leaves fall off, go ahead. I just put them in the corners or in the sides. It doesn't matter. Those leaves just crisp up and char. They're amazing. So just go ahead. Any leaves that fall off, just go ahead and put them in. And here we are in the oven with 450. We'll do this for 15 minutes, and then we'll pull it out and flip the sprouts over. I tried here with the tongs, but you find it's just a lot easier with your hands, but it's very hot, so be careful. And here we are with the flip side done. So about another 15 minutes is all it takes, sometimes a bit more. But anyway, these are awesome. Put a little Parmesan on top and enjoy it.